clutching at fame and opportunity. Uncovered by the scrub oak, slow abrasion was rasping the paint to expose wooden boards that soaked in the soap and grew damp though clean. Spurious suds washed over the rim of the stronghold to slop out of the bucket onto the flight, then out of sight. Indescribable water crawled among shivering shoulders, and feet treading onward, floating and risking waves into the caves of the ears where crashing surf roared. It glared across the beach and into the trees. It screamed, as did every jerking, bleeding exposition. The essay in the barn shouted with alarm when the black cat made the essay, finding golden straw and comfort away from the moist, unworthy weather. A thicket of the ridge hid the blackness, while the eyes watching topped the loft. The crouch of the creature patrolled the walk and scrutinized the park. Under the feet, the wounds blockaded the battle. Into curiosity, there was a speculation, observing an upward hypothesis. Through the grating filtered like sterile ash from the burned coals. A bump in the street reflected sentimentality. It was the law of observation, consideration, and advance. By the absence of speed, slow-witted animals were able to find circumstances more trustworthy than verbal reassurance. Tears welled up over the edges of the lashes. They cried. All were in the same fashion, blinded by the sonnet, although it was retreating to escape publication. This cavern of the mouth proclaimed the active disparity between statements and concerns. Satisfaction escaped from the barn like a galloping elephant or flying horse, to prance along the road beside the wandering figuration of the general design, expected to see forms of birds and musicians. To find the dancer in the famous place was a success, confining the emptiness of disapproval within the pages of the press. In the lateness, the walls of the gallery presented an abstract coronation, making of the show another shelter for the animals and the saints. The day ended with a play, a reading, and a greeting, a conclusion, not the end, a departure. Thank you.